All right, continuing our conversation on renovation loans, keep that ball rolling, and we want to take advantage of every opportunity we can and don't miss any. And that's why we're going to be talking about this. Great programs. There's several different renovation loan programs available out there. Today we are going to be talking about the Fannie Mae Homestyle Renovation Mortgage. This one is very low down payment, as low as 3% down, and you'll be able to utilize the one loan to purchase the home and the renovation costs with one payment. That is a great program you don't want to miss. Let's just recap a little bit why we're even talking about these renovation loans, and it's about home ownership affordability. It's hurting you to not purchase a home financially because home prices are continuing to increase year over year. Even with this higher rate environment, we still had a home prices increase over 6% year over year. That is, you lost out 6%. The year before that was 7%. So yeah, maybe a little bit of less, but not that much less. And if rates start to lower, we are going to see home prices increase even more because there's just not that many homes that are move-in ready. Where everybody's missing, and this is the key, where everybody's missing are the homes over here that looks like it was never taken care of. The paint might be peeling off. It needs a new roof. The whole kitchen is from an original kitchen. Maybe cabinet doors are falling off. Maybe it doesn't have the right appliances. It might smell. It might have all this terrible stuff, but the structure might be there. Maybe even has a little bit of structure stuff. If you want to step into that realm, this loan can do it for you. That's what's great about the renovation loan is you can take that house and you're like, you know what? I like this neighborhood. I could definitely live in this neighborhood. This house just needs some work or a lot of work. Well, these renovation loan programs can do this for you. So the Homestyle Renovation Loan with Fannie Mae is as low as 3% down. Fantastic. You can finance up to 75% of the renovation cost of the purchase price of renovation costs. Now, most likely you're not going to be getting that price point to be able to do that because the home has to appraise in with the renovation cost. So let's just take even numbers, and let's just use a number of 200,000. And I'm not putting anything exact. It's just examples. Let's say you find a home and you purchase it for 200,000, and there's $50,000 worth of work that needs to be done inside the home. Whenever the appraiser goes out there, that home is going to have to appraise at that $250,000 mark to be able to fit into the loan. Now, where we come in for you is help you out and guide you through that process and make sure that you purchase the home for the right amount of money to be able to do the renovation costs that you might want to do. Now, you don't have to do everything, but if you want to do everything and the home value supports everything, then you can do everything and have one payment. Some people have decided that they only want to do the major parts like a new roof, AC, and appliances, and they'll update the bathrooms and kitchen over time. That way they have a lower payment right now and they'll save up money to be able to do those other renovation costs. It's your option. And what I love about this loan is it's not so restrictive on what you can do. You can actually do structural items if it fits within the value. You can add on a room. You can do whole new kitchens. There's just a very limited thing that you won't be able to do. And it takes almost all properties. That's the great thing. So no mobile homes, but manufactured homes within a certain criteria. But single family homes, you could have a duplex that you live in one side and you rent out the other side. Lots of options with that. And you can make this where you're not going to be caught up in all the hype of all the new construction out there. And listen, even the new construction, you might end up having to renovate that home. I've talked to home buyers in that have had to redo their kitchen or get a new roof because, of course, there's warranty work, but might even not have to do that anyways. This way you can have that equity growth, get the home for the right price, get the renovation done just like the way you want. You get to pick out the colors and design, making that home yours as you like it. Now, the great thing is this. You probably will stay more in your budget by looking at a home that might need some work. And yeah, you have to go through maybe a little bit of a headache to get these homes where you want, but maybe not. It all depends on how much work you're going to need to get done, but it's worth it. It will definitely be worth it because you're going to get more equity out of your home than buying the most expensive home in the area. You only have so much more that can go up. Buying at least a lower expensive home and allowing that growth to go up there is definitely going to pan out for you a lot more. So there's a lot more details into these renovation loans, but this is a high-level overview of this Fannie Mae Homestyle Renovation Mortgage. As little as 3% down. One owner has to be a first-time home buyer, and we can go through all that criteria, find out which one this is a fit. But if this one isn't a fit, we have other options that we can do, and I will bring these over to you in additional content, videos, and share that information. And if you'd like to know more about this, go ahead and click the link below to schedule a 30-minute strategy call, and we can just review the information, see exactly if this is the right fit for you, answer any additional questions you might have, and be able to get you into the home that you'll be happy with and start that ability to grow that equity over and over and over again, and then you get to roll that equity into another home if you decide to move. Maybe you'll fall in love with the home and the community and the neighbors you'll never want to leave. That could happen too. So I hope this has been enlightening for you. More options than just having to settle for the exact perfect home. There's no reason to look out for that right now, where you can make your home very, very, very nice and relaxing and be very satisfied and happy where you live. Again, Ron, the Home Loan Dude with Amerifund Home Loans. Please like, subscribe, and share, and make sure you pay attention to your content information warnings, or whatever you call those things, notices, not warnings, notices, and I'll bring in more content for you. All right, thank you for watching, and we look forward to meeting you one day. Take care.